That's my secret. Wait.
Hi, so welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin and this channel is all about tech and gadget reviews. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and like and comment below on my channel. So what I've got here, I've got the Govee RGB LED strip lights, which I am going to put around my bed later on, just to give it a bit of a good effect on my bed there. So this is the first time I've got these, so I'm just going to unbox them and show you what's inside the box, and then what I'll do, I'll show you what they look like around the bed once I've fitted them around the bed as well. Okay, so it's the Govee RGB LED strip lights. So I'm just going to open the box. This is the first time that I've opened them. So let's just to see what's in the box. So here we are. So just before I get into the box as well, these are colourful lighting, adjustable brightness, remote control. These are not the Alexa or Google Home variant. You do have a remote. So what's in the box then? You've got the RGB light there. Okay. So I'll just take that out. So this is the first time, like I said, for me. So here they are. These are 5 meter RGB LED lights there. So as you can see, it's got the on and off switch there, and I believe that's the remote sensor there as well. So that's what's in the box. Then you get all your paraphernalia. So you've got the Govee like and share there, and then you've got your user manual. So that shows you, I can't see it there, so there it is, it's the user manual. So that's all there for you. Tells you how to set it up. See what else is in the box. Okay, so you've got the power supply there. So like I said, they're not the voice activated, but a way around that, you could obviously get a smart plug to turn them on and off. So that's the power supply that you get in the box. Also, you get a bag of connectors as well. As you can see, if you're going to chop it and then connect it around. So you get them as well. And last but not least, here's the remote. So yeah, so like I said, this is the first time of me opening this. So that's the remote there. So you've got all the different colours on there, and you've got quite a few things on here as well. You've got slow, quick. Let me just get it focused in on the camera. So you've got all the options on there, up, down, slow, quick, all the colours, and that's the remote there. It's not too big. See, there's my hands there. So yeah, so these is the Govee RGB LED light system, which I'm gonna set up around my bed later on, and I will show you what the effect is. So like I said, it's just a quick unboxing of these lights here. I will leave the link below of where I purchased them from, so you can check that out. So here they are, that's them in the box. So it's the Govee RGB LED strip light. So like I said, it says on there, so colour lighting, adjustable brightness. So I am looking forward to setting this up, and I will show you what they look like once I put them around my bed. So I'm going to set them up now, and then I'll come back and then I'll show you what they look like around my bed. Hi, so welcome back. So I've installed them now around my bed head. So here they are. They're on the fade switch there. So you can see they're fading in and out into different colours. So I do think this looks really good. So here is green, blue, and that's around the bed head there. On the remote you do have just white, so you can just have it on a daylight, bright white setting there. And you can also, let me just put it back on to fade. Let me just turn it off and turn it back on. And there you go, just put it onto auto. So that's the auto setting. So these are the Govee RGB LED lights. Obviously you can put them anywhere in your house. So they are good lights, and I will put the link below where I purchased them from. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and I'll be showing you some more videos coming up next. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.